Hey. Excuse me, Diva. What do you want? Hey. What do you want? No? Mia. Don't be a diva.
Nice girls do not do that.
Did she hit?
And she's saying she's not looking for my hair.
Did she hit Lita? Did you hit Mama or Auntie? No. Then what the problem be?
She's doing that.
She's yelling at us.
She's being a diva.
Can I have a kiss? Thank you, Auntie. Good kiss. You're not a bad girl. Mwah.